Okay, last but not least, for our SEO tool recommendations, we have link building and domain tools. If you're ready to be leaps and bounds ahead of your competitors, things like growing your backlink profile, domain trust, and topical authority is going to help you get there. All of those work together to establish trust to search engines. It also helps you build authority and grow your backlink strategy by utilizing all of these platforms. If you're looking for a more in-depth explanation about these topics, we have a DIY SEO guide that's made for small business owners like you in mind. Get Hot Girls Know SEO. We'll leave a link in the description for you to grab a copy.
The first recommendation in this category is MozBar Chrome extension. This is free, and this extension will help check domain authority and keywords while you browse of other websites. It's kind of cool. This gives you instant SEO data in browser and is super helpful for evaluating link building opportunities during your backlink research.
The second one of these tools is HARO, aka Help a Reporter Out. This one's free. It was previously shut down, but now it's back and under new ownership. This is a great platform to earn backlinks by contributing quotes to journalists and blogs. I know I've used this plenty of times. There is truly so many industries. The emails go out in the morning and at night, so you have 2 opportunities a day to read through, see if it's something you can help a reporter out with by promoting your own content and get those backlinks. We suggest creating a folder for it within your email because, again, they do send so many to help you keep things organized. But guys, these are free PR backlinks. This is ideal for building brand authority and topical authority. Again, these range from like literally fashion to neuroscience, so I promise your industry will show up in need of some help one day or another.
Okay, the next one in this category is TinyPNG. This is great for compressing images without losing quality. This is a free plugin, and it's one of those things that small implementations can have big impacts, especially in the world of SEO.